Hi guys! Welcome back to Buena's Kitchen. Today, we will make the trending Choco Lanay donuts. These donuts originated from Kawasan Falls, Cebu, Philippines. I was so curious about these donuts and also I am a fan of Choco Lanay, so today I am giving this a try. If you are a fan too, this recipe is for you. Are you ready? Let's get started! For the chocolate donuts, we will need 4 cups of bread flour, cooking oil for frying, 2/3 cup of warm water, half cup of warm fresh milk, 1/4 cup of white sugar, 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 egg yolk, 1 medium egg, 1 tablespoon of instant yeast, 1/4 cup of unsalted butter at room temperature, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Combine the flour, cocoa powder, salt, instant yeast, and sugar. Then set this aside. In a stand mixer, add the warm water, milk, eggs, butter, then add the flour mixture. Then in number 2 setting, knead this for about 8 to 10 minutes or until it becomes smooth and elastic. Then, transfer it into a bowl greased with oil. Then, let it rise for about 1 to 2 hours or until it has doubled in size. For the streusel, we will need half cup of white sugar, half cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, and half cup of milk powder. Combine the cocoa powder, sugar, and the milk powder together. Then, set this aside. For the chocolate filling, we will need 1 can of evaporated milk, half cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 cup of white sugar, 6 tablespoons of cornflour, and 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. In a pan over low heat, add the evaporated milk, white sugar, cocoa powder, and the corn flour. Whisk them together until well combined and cook it until it becomes thick. Once the chocolate filling is thick, add in the butter. Then, set this aside to cool. Once the dough has doubled in size, transfer it onto the work surface and cut it in half. Shape it into a log and cut it into 12 portions. Shape each portion into a ball. Pinch to seal and roll it. Now, flatten the dough using the palm of your hand. And transfer it into a baking tray. Then cover this with tea towel and let it rest for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, fry the dough by batch about 2 minutes each side. Once it's already cooked, transfer it into a wire rack to drain. For the glaze, we will need 1 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, half cup of hot fresh milk, and 4 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. In a bowl, combine together the hot milk, powdered sugar, and the cocoa powder. Mix them together until well combined. Now, make a cut in the donut . And fill it with a chocolate filling . And coat it with a chocolate glaze . and coat it with a streusel. And here's our finished product! These donuts are so yummy and filled with fudgy chocolate filling. I hope you're going to give this a try. Look at that! So chocolatey. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!